my precious friend.
Stay in the line, please. Coming right up. And here you go.
What's going on? We're supposed to play video games at my house. Where are you?
Huh? Well, it's just... I don't feel too good.
What are you, sick?
Yeah, that's it. I think I caught a cold. I don't want you to get it, so I should stay home and rest. Talk to you later.
Ted, you can be such a big baby.
Whew. Sorry, Bill, but I just can't help myself. I've just got to try that new pizza. Oh, yeah!
So, you wanted a cosmic pizza too, huh? There are not so many left.
Oh?
Here you go, sir.
Huh?
For you.
Oh, thanks.
Here's the last pie. Hope you enjoy it.
No, at last. Huh? It's Ted, hello.
Is this your house now,
Huh? Bill!
You lied, Ted. You told me you were home sick in bed.
I'm really sorry. They have a new pizza, and well, I just had to try it, Bill. I knew that if I told you, you'd get all mad at me and stuff.
We have Sun Pizza, so why would you eat that? We're not friends now.
Well, it's just, have you tried it? 'Cause Dino Pizza is really, really tasty.
Huh? Really? Then knock yourself out, fatty.
Oh no! My Dino Pizza! Why do you have to be such a jerk? I never want to see you again! That Bill is always calling me such mean names! And I never even got to try any pizza.
Would you like some pizza?
Yeah!
But first, you need to help me.
How could Ted go and lie to me like that?
My Dino Pizza! No!
I might have gone too far. Anything you want to say? Huh? You know, like asking me to forgive you for lying to me. So go ahead. Hey, is something wrong?
Tuna.
Is that everything?
It should be. Shall we head out now?
Huh?
Bill, we're leaving now! A mech monster! Hurry!
Right!
Huh? Wow! He's a giant gorilla! He's a threat. Someone could get really hurt.
We have to stop him now.
Oh, that's right. Let's go get him!
Try change! Tuning start up! Mighty Dino Tron! Thunder Evolution! Charge! Spear Bolt!
Mega Slam! Blaze Volcano!
Tron Buster Beam!
Hey, snap out of it. What's going on?
Ted, that's really Ted! It's Ted! That's my friend!
What?
Rex, stop! No!
Bill?
That's really Ted!
Wait, what?
So that giant mech gorilla is Ted?
Oh,
Plasma shield! Bill, you gotta run! Rex, we'll block Ted! Try change! Mighty Warrior! Mega D Fire! Try!
Come on, Ted! You've got to wake up!
Rex!
Pizza. I know pizza.
What's going on?
Yes, that's it!
Hey, wait! Where are you going? It's dangerous!
Oh, Bill, what brings you here?
No time! I need a Dino Cosmic Pizza now!
Pizza. Pizza not good.
Ted, stop!
Come on! Please hurry! Don't worry, Ted, I'm coming! Just hold on!
What now? We can't keep this up!
I know, but we can't hurt Ted either!
I'm stuck! I can't move at all! Huh?
At last, the Dino Master Tuners shall soon be mine!
Kid! So you're the one who did this! How could you stoop to using a kid? You coward!
Is that what you think? Such a foolish child! Your enemy stands before you, but your friendship leaves you helpless! I don't know which is worse, your weakness or stupidity! Take out the Dino Masters and bring their tuners to me!
Phil, it's no use! He can't hear!
It's me! I'm still your best friend! It's me, Bill!
Bill? Bill me, Bill back!
Phil, watch out!
Ah!
Pizza?
It's not as good as Sun Pizza. But Ted, I promise I won't get mad if you want to try it. We could try it together. 'Cause you're my best friend, Ted.
Unbelievable! Enough of your meddling!
Phil, look out!
Ah!
Dark energy has gotten weaker.
Bill, you look like you had a rough day.
Ted? Ted!
I don't believe it! How could dark energy be defeated by mere friendship?
Dark energy can't divide true friends.
Dark King, you tried to make friendship a weapon. For that, you'll pay!
Twin Buster Cannon!
Bill, let's go.
Where?
Time for pizza and video games, right?
There'll be no mercy! Wait for me!
Let's go, buddy.
Nothing's better than eating pizza with good friends.
That's true. Now can we finally go?
Sure.
To the North Witch.
Let's go!
I just saw the Ultra D Buster and the Ultra D Kaiser head out to that
What
island.
could be going on over there?
Something's not right.
What happened? Oh. Oh? What's this?
Huh? That's a Galaxy Stone.
Oh, really? This is a Galaxy Stone? I bet Rex could use this. Can you please bring it to him? I'm so backed up on deliveries.
Wait! Bye! Don't go!
Thank you. World domination, the one pizza.
Oh, man, what's happening this time?
What was that?
Lightning beam!
Did it work? How disappointing, if that's your best. Zoom, zoom, beam! Let's make this more interesting. Zoom, zoom, claws!
Look out! Core Change Mammoth! Sonic Shield! Uh-oh!
Sonic Dash! Let go!
You're too obvious.
Core Change Cerato! Solar Impact!
Next time, try hitting her instead!
Turn around! Look out! You all right?
You should worry about yourself.
Flash!
Is that Patra? Look out! Get your stinky foot off him! Core change, Tyranno! Please clash!
Which one should we finish first, since you're already down? Zoom, zoom, beam!
Master!
Oh no! What do we do? Hold on!
Haha. Looks like your friends want in on the action as well.
What? Huh? Look out! What happened? Kaya! What is that?
Huh? And who do we have here? Darkno's little underling?
I don't work for Darkno anymore!
Not that it even matters. I'm finishing you off anyway. Zoom, zoom, beam!
You guys okay? We're fine.
How nice I can wipe you all out at once.
Ugh. I made a promise when I became Dino Master that I would protect anyone who needed help.
Hang on.
Poor Rex. Oh no! Huh? Hey guys! The Ultra D-Buster's energy is failing. This isn't good.
I'll be taking that Galaxy Stone. They're all Lord Cosmosaurus's now.
Padra, don't you see they belong to no one? Huh? Something's happening to it. Of course. How can you protect anyone when you're this weak? You big dummy!
No, it can't be!
Wake up! Use the Galaxy Stone now!
The Dino Tuner! You can upgrade it with the Galaxy Stone! Rex, we can awaken a new power!
I hope you're right about this. Wow! I think it's working! Ah!
Galaxy Stones aren't meant for filth like you. Now hand it over! What's that?
Did you see that? It helped Rex! The name of the new Dino Core is Allosaurus. It's able to emit powerful universe energy.
The Allosaurus. And the new Dino Tuner.
I don't believe it! Hey Rex, you can do the ultimate union now! Sounds good. What is that?
Listen, we can unite the powers of the core. Cerito, Mammoth, it's time we evolve into a new power. Go!
You got it, Master!
Let's go!
Dino!
Start up!
Tyranny ignition.
Ultimate Dino Fusion!
Courage and passion that you've never felt before. When you're on the scene,
Mighty Dino Union!
justice is guaranteed. Hear the mighty roar of the Dino Core.
Ultimate D-Buster! Woohoo! Be united with Cerito and Mammoth too! So cool!
Good! Laugh now while you still can. Zoom, zoom, beam!
Fire breath!
Huh? No! How could that happen?
Yay! I was able to fight off the Zoom Zoom beam! The Galaxy Stone made the D-Buster's power go off the charts! Oh, the ultimate D-Buster is the best! Allosaurus! Huh? Swordy! That's called the Ultimate Blade! And now the D-Buster can use it! Awesome! Ultimate Blade! This is so cool!
Sorry to ruin the moment, but your puny blade can't block the zoom, zoom beam!
Huh?
Huh?
How could it have done that? Yeah. Huh? The Ultimate Blade blocked Padra's attack by using the power of the Galaxy Stone as well. That's so rocks!
You arrogant brats! I'm just getting started. Try and block this! Zoom, zoom, beam! Maximum power! How do you feel now, Dino Master?
Come on! Try Crane!
This fight's by invitation only!
All right, here's your chance!
Over here! Now it's just you and me!
What? It can't be!
Wow! I think with the sword you're able to launch a new attack! Let's try it out! Flame of Courage Slicing Darkness! Pyro Split!
Huh. We'll see about this, Dino Master.
I'll finish the hunt another day.
Hey, look! It's a Galaxy Stone! It's a Galaxy Stone combined with the Giga Dino's power! Wow! It's such a beautiful gem!
The new tuner can draw out the power of the Giga Dino that's nesting in the Galaxy Stone.
Good, Rex. No one needed an upgrade more than you.
That was the best pizza I've ever had.
Now, since you've all worked hard, pizza party time!
I can't wait! I'm so excited!
I've been teaching Kaya how to make a pizza, and she's a real natural. And she has a true talent for kneading a dough.
I've always dreamed of eating pizza made by Kaya!
Here's your chance. Kaya made this pizza.
Big thanks from us all! This pizza tastes awful. Something is wrong.
The texture's good, and now she just has to work on taste.
The taste seems good to me. Me too! It tastes good because I'm eating it with my friends.
Nuts. Master is nuts when it comes to pizza.
Well, Dino Master Rex, it wasn't a total waste of time.
I hear Rex works here. He saved the whole planet. They're calling him Dino Master. We want to see Rex!
Ooh, customers! Hiya! Rex is on delivery. He should be back, right about now!
Hello! It's me, the awesome hero! Dino Master! Amazing! Whoa! Dino Master, that's me!
So what is this?
Everyone sees Rex as a hero. I would be proud too, but this seems a little much.
He's cocky from beating Dark Gnome.
Everyone move! Dino Master has to take commemorative photos now! Photos? Like for a magazine? Works for me! Can you get one where I'm like, yeah!
Photos?
They say take a picture, it'll last longer.
Yes, my lord. Failure is not an option. Dino Master Rex, let's see what you can do.
Oh, Rexy!
This is so beneath me.
Technically, you're beneath me right now.
Emily, one like this. That's perfect!
You got Dark-No, we get it. While so many mech dinos on Dino Planet are tainted by dark energy, we sit around here. We should get to work.
Saber, stop moving! You're making it blur. Yeah, Saber. Stay still, like a statue.
I feel so foolish.
You're right. We should have hats, too.
Oh. Rexy, do you have any other pose? Huh? Ah! Fresh dino kicks! I got the tuner on my foot.
Master, please treat the tuner with respect.
Oh, I like it.
Dino kick! Dino beam!
There's too much flash.
Fabulous. Too bright?
Course I am. Haha, yeah! So strong, Dino Master Rex! Oh, my eyes! I can't see!
It's like the sun. Ah!
Master?
Is this forever?
No worries.
Tyranno?
With through.
Who's that?
Must have overdone the flash. Try outside? Sure. Outside, let's go!
All right, let's go outside.
Wrong way, silly.
Oh, I knew that. Wait for me.
Looking fabulous, guys. That's great.
I'm gonna fall.
I'm not meant for this.
Just the price of fame.
John, more confetti. We need more drama.
I'm trying.
This is art. And the sun's bright, so I don't need flash. Oh? Now what?
Who is that?
It's a drone from Dino Planet, but I'm not sure who's in control.
Having fun here, aren't we? Dino Master Rex?
Yeah. And you are...
He looks like Fat Darkno. Be nice. Maybe it's a condition.
How dare you dumb kids compare me to that loser? And beauty is in the eye of the destroyer. Plus, I'm big-boned.
So, you worked for him?
Work for Darkno? No way I'd ever be beneath him. I'm 1,000 times more evil and definitely better looking, too.
Then you are...
Oh, contemplative.
Oh, well, as a matter of fact, I am the universe's most sinister, most conniving, the fabulously dressed, gorgeous Vito the Great!
Wait, I'm still confused.
So, I'm guessing you're the bad guy.
Well, duh. I sure am.
In that case, prepare to be defeated by Dino Master Rex! Level 5 Union! Dino! Tuning, start!
Tyranno ignition.
Ultra Dino Fusion!
Rexy's so photogenic.
Jeez! We'll take more pictures after I pummel Darkno's fat cousin.
I told you I'm Vito, and I'm not fat!
Emily, make sure to get some of me in action.
Jeez, this kid.
Now, brat, time to finish what Darkno couldn't. Attack, Stygimoloch!
No one does this better than me.
Rex, an attack sometime today would be great.
Don't worry, Saber, I got this. Fire breath! Ah, my eyes! It's like the sun! Ow, I can't see anything!
Rex, that's a Stygimoloch!
His main attack is Headbutt, just like Pachycephalosaurus. But he also has a solar ray that reflects light. That's what hit you.
I'm too blind to hear! Why can't he just run into my fists?
This is too easy. Look at him go! Stygimoloch, attack him now!
I'll hit you eventually! No, my butt! You hit my butt with your face. Gross.
Careful, he's coming!
Master, we need a plan.
My plan is escaping. Was that the Mech Dino? Did I get him? Oh
ignition.
Core change, Stego!
Stone blade barrier.
Ha! We're blocking him! Oh yeah!
Rexy!
And I lost him.
Rexy! This way!
Thanks!
Oh, a clapping game. How cute. Take the children out first.
Emily? Rex! Hold on! Wait, no! Core change! Save her!
Sonic Dash!
Leave my friends alone! Are you guys okay?
Rexy, you're my hero!
Never been better!
Are you nuts? That was dangerous!
You're right. I'm sorry I ever put you guys in danger. I was too confident. So right now, you're going down!
Tyranno ignition.
Core change! Tyranno!
Let's get this over with quickly. Solar Ray!
Rexy! Just kidding! Hands make good sunglasses.
The Mech Dino's above you!
Thanks, guys. Now, tuning start!
Fire blaze ignition.
Nice try!
We're on fire! Literally! Fire blaze! Long day, don't you think?
You think this is funny? That was close.
He's right. We need a plan for this new enemy.
I understand. We have work to do.
He's not gonna do any work. Shut your mouth! Hey, it's the camera! Get some of me! Photo time!
Cool.
Use extra wide angle to fit his big head.
Very funny.
You guys, selfie time!
Silly little Dino Master. You're no threat. Just wait till you see what I've planned for you.